How to use Facebook and Messenger without our friends seeing us online. Open Facebook app, click on your profile picture at the right top corner, click the wheel icon. I know it's not a wheel, but you get the point. Click profile settings, scroll down till you see active status, click on it. When your active status is on, you can see when your friends are online and they can see you. If you turn it off, they will not see you, but you will not be able to see them online as well. You can switch it on and off as many times as you like. This is very useful when you want to chat only with one person. This is it, guys. I'm making tutorials about unknown options of popular apps and useful unpopular apps. If this seems interesting to you, consider subscribing to my channel. I do my best to make my tutorials straight to the point so I don't waste your time. Thank you for your time.